Just one ice cube a day. That's all it takes to start melting fat? That's the bold claim sweeping across social media, turning skeptical viewers into believers. From fitness influencers to wellness bloggers, everyone seems to be trying the so-called pink salt ice recipe hack, a trend that's gained viral traction for its alleged fat-burning powers. But what's the deal with freezing pink Himalayan salt in ice cubes and consuming it first thing in the morning? Can it really melt away stubborn belly fat, boost your metabolism, and make you feel more energized? Or is this just another TikTok trend that'll fade as fast as it arrived? In this article, we'll dive deep into the science and speculation behind the hack, explore how it works, what makes pink salt so special, and why cold exposure may play a key role in weight loss. Prepare to uncover what may be the simplest fat-burning ritual you've never tried. What is the pink salt ice hack? The pink salt ice hack has gone viral for its promise of fast, easy fat loss using ingredients you likely already have at home. The method is incredibly straightforward. Dissolve about 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt into a cup of filtered water, pour the mixture into an ice cube tray, and freeze it overnight. Each morning, you consume 1 cube, either by letting it melt in warm water, tossing it into a smoothie, or simply sucking on it like a mint. Supporters of the hack claim it boosts metabolism, reduces bloating, regulates digestion, and delivers a clean burst of energy. The cold temperature allegedly jumpstarts thermogenesis, while the minerals in pink salt replenish electrolytes lost during sleep. Unlike complicated detoxes or pricey weight loss supplements, this hack is appealing for its simplicity and affordability. But is it truly effective, or just another wellness fad riding the viral wave? The key ingredient: pink Himalayan salt. Pink Himalayan salt isn't just pretty, it's packed with over 80 trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Mined from ancient seabeds in the Himalayan region, it's considered one of the purest salts on Earth. Its mineral content gives it a natural pink hue and may offer more health benefits than regular table salt. When used in the pink salt ice hack, this salt supports hydration, especially after a night of fasting when your body may be slightly dehydrated. It also aids in the production of stomach acid, which helps kickstart digestion. Some believe the salt supports adrenal function, which in turn can help regulate cortisol, a hormone linked to belly fat accumulation. Unlike processed salt, which is stripped of nutrients, pink Himalayan salt may provide a broader spectrum of minerals that help restore balance in the body. This makes it not just a seasoning, but a potentially powerful tool for metabolic support. Why add it to ice? Freezing the pink salt solution might sound gimmicky, but it taps into the body's natural response to cold. When you consume cold substances, your body works to raise its internal temperature, which can temporarily increase calorie burn, a process known as thermogenesis. Cold exposure also activates brown adipose tissue, BAT, a type of fat that burns calories to generate heat. By combining mineral intake with cold exposure, you're effectively encouraging the body to work harder right from the start of your day. Beyond metabolic stimulation, the ice also helps reduce inflammation and suppresses appetite for some individuals. Cold drinks have been shown to increase alertness, boost mood, and enhance digestion. When the ice melts slowly in your mouth or beverage, it gradually delivers a dose of minerals, helping you start your day hydrated and energized. While there's no specific study on the pink salt ice hack, science does support the individual components. Cold exposure has been shown to increase calorie burn by activating brown fat, which metabolizes energy to maintain body temperature. Drinking cold water can raise your metabolic rate temporarily, with studies noting increases up to 30%. Pink Himalayan salt provides minerals that assist in hydration and nerve function, while also aiding digestion by stimulating stomach acid. Morning hydration in itself can improve alertness, digestion, and reduce cortisol spikes. Taken together, these elements form a ritual that primes your body for fat burning, even if indirectly. Though research hasn't yet caught up with the trend, the physiological principles behind it are sound. It's a case where the whole may be greater than the sum of its parts, offering a mild but meaningful metabolic boost when practiced consistently. How to make the pink salt ice at home. Making your own pink salt ice cubes is easy and budget-friendly. Start by adding 1/4 teaspoon of fine pink Himalayan salt to 1 cup of filtered or spring water. Stir until fully dissolved, then pour the mixture into an ice cube tray and freeze overnight. In the morning, pop out a cube and drop it into warm water for a soothing mineral drink, or use it in a smoothie. For an added health kick, you can mix in lemon juice for vitamin C, a dash of cayenne pepper to boost circulation, or a splash of apple cider vinegar to support blood sugar control. Store your cubes in a sealed bag to prevent freezer odors from affecting the flavor. The routine takes under 5 minutes to prep and can become a calming part of your morning ritual. It's inexpensive, customizable, and may provide a consistent way to hydrate and nourish your body, making it ideal for those seeking sustainable wellness practices. Caution: who should avoid this? Despite its benefits, the pink salt ice hack isn't ideal for everyone. Individuals with high blood pressure or cardiovascular issues should consult a doctor before increasing salt intake, even in small amounts. Those on sodium-restricted diets or with kidney conditions need to be especially cautious. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should check with their healthcare provider before trying the hack, as mineral requirements differ during these stages. Some people may also experience stomach discomfort from consuming cold liquids first thing in the morning. And while pink salt is more balanced than table salt, excessive intake can still lead to sodium imbalances, especially if combined with a high-sodium diet. Stick to 1 cube a day and observe how your body reacts. This is not a quick fix solution or a replacement for healthy eating and exercise. Like any health trend, it should complement, not replace, a balanced lifestyle. The verdict: is it worth trying? The pink salt ice cube hack blends old-school wellness wisdom with modern metabolic science. While it isn't a miracle cure for weight loss, it brings together elements that support hydration, metabolism, digestion, and even mental clarity. By using pink salt for its mineral content and leveraging cold exposure for thermogenesis, this daily ritual offers a small but potentially meaningful push toward better health. Its simplicity and accessibility make it easy to adopt, and for many, it becomes a feel-good habit that encourages broader wellness choices. The pink salt ice hack may not be magic, but it's built on simple, sound principles: hydration, mineral replenishment, and mild cold exposure. These habits alone can shift how your body functions and how you feel throughout the day. While it's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle, it can absolutely be a stepping stone toward one. Its virality is rooted in more than just hype. It's about how easy, accessible, and even enjoyable it is to try. No expensive supplements, no extreme diets, just a cube of salty ice and a few moments of intention each morning. In a world overwhelmed by complex weight loss advice, this is a refreshing and chilly change of pace. Try it for a week and see how your body responds. And if you love it, share the hack, because sometimes the simplest ideas are the ones that make the biggest difference. Skepticism is healthy, especially in the wellness world, where trends come and go. But the pink salt ice hack doesn't require you to buy expensive supplements, starve yourself, or follow a rigid protocol. It's a 30-second ritual using natural ingredients that have been trusted for centuries: mineral-rich salt and pure water. Even if the results aren't dramatic overnight, the potential benefits: increased hydration, digestive support, and metabolic activation are valuable on their own. And let's face it, sometimes the power of a habit lies not just in what it does physically, but how it makes you feel. That sense of intention, control, and energy can spill over into other choices throughout your day. If you love the pink salt ice hack and want to explore similar simple health habits, consider stacking it with these. Morning sunlight. Combine your ice ritual with 10 minutes of natural sunlight to regulate your circadian rhythm and improve mood. Dry brushing. Boost circulation and lymphatic drainage with dry brushing before your morning shower. Gratitude journaling. Add a mindset shift by noting 3 things you're grateful for, a mental detox to pair with your physical one. Cold showers. Take the cold exposure further by ending your shower with 30 seconds of cold water for an energizing boost. When layered together, these small habits can lead to noticeable changes in both body and mind. Ready to try it? Here's your quick start guide. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt in 1 cup filtered water. Freeze. Pour into an ice tray and freeze overnight. Consume. Each morning, drop 1 cube in warm water or a smoothie, or suck on it directly. Track. Pay attention to how your energy, digestion, and cravings respond. Repeat. Stay consistent for at least 7 days and assess your results. Simple, sustainable, and satisfying. That's the heart of the pink salt ice hack.